Got a nagging cough that just won't go away? Here's a natural remedy to soothe it. First, add a handful of fresh tulsi leaves, a few slices of ginger, and 4 to 5 black pepper to boiling water. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to extract the goodness. Once done, strain and add a spoonful of honey for added soothing effects. Sip this drink slowly 2 to 3 times a day. For fresh green organic tulsi all year round, you can pick it up from Dr. Coley's in Surrey, BC. Just give us a call at 778564120 to arrange a pickup. Stay healthy.